This is one of the other bedrooms, and there I had the closets upgraded a couple years ago. And again, there's tile throughout the house except for the master bedroom. So once I get that carpet out of the master bedroom, there'll be no carpet in this house whatsoever. Here's that other tile that I'm going to have refinished. So when this thing's done, it's going to look brand new. And again, I'm going to take that metal bar out of there, have them take that metal bar out of there and patch that up. And this is the third bedroom. Again, I upgraded the closet, so it's a pretty good closet back there, good size. And there you got the flooring. One thing I did when I did this tile is I pulled the baseboard and ran the tile all the way to the drywall and then reattached the baseboard. So the tile goes under the baseboard, which is a much better install. And this is the backyard. One solid point about this house is on a cul-de-sac, and because of that, this lot size is 1/3 of an acre. It's huge for being in a city. So that'll be a nice selling point for this property. There's all the way back there. There's a big gate back there that needs repair. I'm not going to fix it, but if one were to fix that gate in the back corner there, you've got a lot of room if you want to have an RV back there or a boat or something like that. Yeah. So I'm going to put a new roof on this house. And you can see where that patio sags. That patio leaked. The inside of the house never leaked. But this asphalt shingle roof is probably at least 25, 30 years old. So I think it's time to replace it to make a good sale for the house. So now they're in the process of refinishing all the countertops. And here you can see where they've masked everything off. And then they spray this finish on the countertops. So this is definitely a job that's nice to write a check for. It involves a lot of chemicals and equipment that I don't really care to get involved in.